In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay passport appointment in Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what details to enter, and how to make sure your payment goes through smoothly. First, open the Gcash app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that your internet connection is stable. It's a good idea to check that your Gcash balance covers the passport appointment fee, plus any small service charge that might appear during checkout. If your app hasn't been updated in a while, updating before you start can help avoid glitches. From the Gcash home screen, tap Bills. This is where Gcash keeps all partner billers in one place. In the billers list, use the search bar and type DFA, which stands for the Department of Foreign Affairs. Select the DFA option that matches passport appointments. If you see more than one DFA listing, choose the one specifically labeled for passport appointments. Now, enter the amount. Use the exact amount shown on your DFA appointment confirmation. Don't round up or down, just copy the figure you were given. If Gcash shows a convenience fee, it will display it before you confirm, so you'll know the total before you pay. Next, enter the reference number. This comes from your DFA appointment details and might be called a booking reference or appointment reference. Type it carefully and double-check every character, because an incorrect reference can delay posting your payment. Enter your mobile number. Use an active number you can access right away, because this is where Gcash may send confirmations. You can also add your email, which is optional if you want a copy of the receipt sent to your inbox. If you prefer not to receive an email, you can leave that field blank. Once everything looks correct, tap Next and follow the prompts on your screen. These prompts usually include reviewing your payment details, confirming the payment method, and acknowledging any fees. You may be asked to enter a security code for verification, so keep your phone ready and do not exit the app until you see a successful payment confirmation. When you're done, save proof of payment. You can take a quick screenshot of the confirmation page or copy the transaction reference from Gcash. If you provided an email, look for a receipt there as well. Always compare the details on your receipt with your DFA reference to be sure they match. If anything looks off or your payment window has expired, pause and verify with your DFA appointment instructions before trying again. That's it. Your passport appointment payment through Gcash is complete. Keep your confirmation handy for your appointment day and you're all set.